Welcome to today's episode. Let's see what happened today. Let's see what happened today. I woke up at 7:30 in the morning. I woke up at 7:30 in the morning. I did not hear my alarm. I did not hear my alarm. My cat Leo woke me up instead. My cat Leo woke me up instead. He jumped on my bed and started meowing loudly. He jumped on my bed and started meowing loudly. Good morning, Leo. Good morning, Leo. I felt a little tired. I felt a little tired. I went to brush my teeth. I went to brush my teeth. I looked in the mirror. I looked in the mirror. I laughed at myself. I laughed at myself. I wore a green t-shirt and black pants. I wore a green t-shirt and black pants. In the kitchen, I decided to try something new for breakfast. In the kitchen, I decided to try something new for breakfast. I wanted to make pancakes. I wanted to make pancakes. But I forgot I had no eggs. But I forgot I had no eggs. So I made toast with peanut butter instead. So I made toast with peanut butter instead. Sometimes simple is the best. Sometimes simple is the best. While eating, I listened to some relaxing music. While eating, I listened to some relaxing music. After breakfast, it was time to work. After breakfast, it was time to work. I work from home. I work from home. Today, my task was to organize my closet. Today, my task was to organize my closet. I had been putting it off for days. I had been putting it off for days. At around 11 in the morning, I took a break. At around 11 in the morning, I took a break. I made some tea. I made some tea. While drinking the tea, I sat by the window. While drinking the tea, I sat by the window. The weather looked very strange. The weather looked very strange. Half the sky was sunny. Half the sky was sunny. Half the sky was full of dark clouds. Half the sky was full of dark clouds. What is going on? What is going on? Suddenly, it started raining. Suddenly, it started raining. But the rain lasted only 5 minutes. But the rain lasted only 5 minutes. After the rain, a rainbow appeared. After the rain, a rainbow appeared. It was so beautiful. It was so beautiful. I took a photo and sent it to my friends. I took a photo and sent it to my friends. One friend replied and asked, "Is this real? Or is it AI?" One friend replied and asked, "Is this real? Or is it AI?" I ordered pizza. I ordered pizza. When the pizza arrived, Leo tried to climb on the table. When the pizza arrived, Leo tried to climb on the table. He wanted a slice too. He wanted a slice too. After lunch, I felt a little lazy. After lunch, I felt a little lazy. I lay down on the sofa for just 5 minutes. I lay down on the sofa for just 5 minutes. But when I opened my eyes, it was already 3 o'clock. But when I opened my eyes, it was already 3 o'clock. Oops! I accidentally took a nap. Oops! I accidentally took a nap. I laughed at myself and got up quickly. I laughed at myself and got up quickly. I decided to go outside. I decided to go outside. I went for a walk to a neighbor's house. I went for a walk to a neighbor's house. We sat together and chatted for a while. We sat together and chatted for a while. After spending some time at the neighbor's, I walked back home. After spending some time at the neighbor's, I walked back home. On the way, I stopped at a small shop. On the way, I stopped at a small shop. I bought some fresh strawberries. I bought some fresh strawberries. At home, I washed the strawberries and ate a few. At home, I washed the strawberries and ate a few. They were sweet and a little sour. They were sweet and a little sour. Delicious. Delicious. In the evening, I did a little cleaning. In the evening, I did a little cleaning. I cleaned my desk and organized my books. I cleaned my desk and organized my books. Then I made a light dinner. Then I made a light dinner. A vegetable sandwich and a glass of milk. A vegetable sandwich and a glass of milk. After dinner, I relaxed on the sofa. After dinner, I relaxed on the sofa. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. It was a mystery movie. It was a mystery movie. I tried to guess the ending, but I was wrong. I tried to guess the ending, but I was wrong. Still, it was fun. Still, it was fun. At 10:45 at night, I turned off the lights. At 10:45 at night, I turned off the lights. I hugged Leo and said goodnight. I hugged Leo and said goodnight. I closed my eyes and smiled. I closed my eyes and smiled. Thanks for listening to today's episode. It was a simple day, but I enjoyed it. See you next time.